Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we dive into the world of modern farming and livestock management. Today, we're exploring a question many aspiring farmers have. Just how much money can you make with 5 large white pigs? Whether you're considering starting your own piggery or simply curious about the economics behind it, this video will break down the key factors that influence profitability. As we go through the details, feel free to share your own experiences or questions in the comments below. Your insights and curiosity help make this community stronger. Large white pigs are favored by farmers for several compelling reasons. Their rapid growth rate allows for efficient meat production, making them economically attractive. These pigs are also highly adaptable to various climates and farming systems, which adds to their versatility. Additionally, the consistent quality of their meat meets strong market demand, ensuring reliable profitability for producers. Raising 5 large white pigs requires careful planning and attention to their basic needs. Secure, well-ventilated housing is essential to protect the pigs from extreme weather and to provide enough space for movement and growth. Their diet should consist of balanced commercial pig feed, supplemented with clean water at all times to support healthy development. Regular health checks, vaccinations, and prompt treatment of any illnesses are crucial to prevent disease outbreaks. Maintaining cleanliness in their living area further helps ensure the pigs remain healthy and thrive. Starting a pig farming venture requires careful consideration of the initial investment. The first major expense is purchasing healthy piglets, which can vary in price depending on breed and age. Constructing suitable shelters is also essential to protect the animals from harsh weather and ensure their well-being. Additionally, acquiring quality feed and basic equipment, such as feeders, waterers, and cleaning tools, will be necessary to maintain proper hygiene and nutrition. Together, these costs form the foundation for a successful and sustainable pig farming operation. Maintaining 5 pigs until they reach market weight involves several ongoing expenses. Feed is typically the largest cost, as pigs require a balanced diet to grow efficiently, often accounting for more than half of the total expenses. Veterinary care is also essential, covering vaccinations, routine health checks, and any unexpected medical issues that may arise. Labor costs include the time spent feeding, cleaning, and monitoring the pig's well-being. Together, these factors contribute to the overall investment required to raise healthy pigs ready for market. Large white pigs are known for their rapid and efficient growth. Typically, piglets are weaned at around 3 to 4 weeks of age, and from there, they experience steady weight gain. On average, large white pigs can gain about 0.7 to 0.9 kilograms per day under optimal conditions. Most reach market size, which is usually around 100 to 120 kilograms, within 5 to 6 months. This efficient growth timeline makes them a popular choice for commercial pork production. Current market prices for large white pigs can vary depending on whether the pigs are sold live or processed. Live pigs typically fetch a lower price per kilogram compared to processed pork, as additional value is added during processing. Fluctuations in market demand, feed costs, and seasonal trends can also influence these prices. For producers, higher market prices can lead to increased potential earnings, but it's important to consider associated costs such as transportation, processing, and market fees. Understanding these price dynamics is essential for making informed decisions and maximizing profitability in pig farming. To estimate the gross income from selling 5 large white pigs at market weight, we first consider the average market weight for such pigs, which is typically around 250 pounds each. Current market prices for live pigs often range from 60 to 80 cents per pound, depending on region and market conditions. Using a mid-range estimate of 70 cents per pound, each pig would bring in about $175. Multiplying this by 5 pigs results in a total gross income of approximately $875. This figure represents the total revenue before deducting any costs associated with raising or transporting the pigs. To determine the net profit, all expenses are subtracted from the gross income. This calculation reveals the actual earnings after accounting for costs such as materials, labor, and overhead. The resulting figure provides a transparent view of the business's profitability. By understanding net profit, it becomes easier to assess the true financial success of an operation. Maximizing profit in livestock farming requires a combination of smart strategies. Efficient feeding is essential. Using balanced diets and minimizing waste can significantly reduce costs while promoting healthy growth. Disease prevention is equally important, as maintaining clean facilities and following vaccination schedules helps avoid costly outbreaks. Building strong relationships with buyers and learning to negotiate can also lead to better prices for your products. By focusing on these areas, farmers can improve their bottom line and ensure long-term success. Pig farming presents several risks and challenges that farmers must navigate. Market fluctuations can impact the price of pork, affecting profitability and long-term planning. Health issues, such as disease outbreaks, can lead to significant losses if not managed promptly. To mitigate these risks, farmers often diversify their income streams, implement strict biosecurity measures, and stay informed about market trends. Regular veterinary care and investment in quality feed also help maintain herd health and stability. Across various regions, many farmers have found remarkable success by raising large white pigs. For example, a smallholder in the countryside reported doubling his income within 2 years after switching to this breed, thanks to their rapid growth and high-quality meat. Another farming family shared how the breed's resilience led to fewer health issues and lower maintenance costs, significantly boosting their profits. These real-life stories demonstrate the tangible benefits and opportunities that large white pigs can offer to dedicated farmers. In this video, we explored the main features and benefits of SMART-AGRI Hub, highlighting how it supports innovation and collaboration in the agricultural sector. We discussed practical tools and resources available to help farmers and agribusinesses improve efficiency and sustainability. Your feedback and questions are valuable in shaping future content, so feel free to share your thoughts. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing and liking to stay updated with the latest developments from SMART-AGRI Hub.